Hey there! Welcome to ShopSmart. Today, we're reviewing the Belkin 2-in-1 MagSafe Wireless Charging Dock. Is this the best wireless charger for your iPhone and AirPods? Does it really deliver fast charging and convenience? Let's find out. Stay until the end for my honest opinion. Check the link in the description for more details. The Belkin MagSafe 2-in-1 is a wireless charging dock designed for Apple users. 15-watt fast charging for iPhone 12, 13, 14, and 15. Magnetic stand, so you can position your phone at the perfect angle. Standby mode. Turns your iPhone into a smart display while charging. Charges two devices at once. Your iPhone and AirPods or Apple Watch. Premium and eco-friendly design. Made with 60% recycled materials. Comes with a 30-watt power adapter and a braided USB-C cable. Sounds great, right? But how does it perform in real life? Super easy to use. Just place your iPhone on the stand, and it locks in place. Perfect for desks and nightstands. Keeps your phone at a comfortable viewing angle. Eliminates cable clutter. No more messy wires. Works seamlessly with Apple devices. A smooth and reliable experience. Imagine this. You come home, you drop your iPhone on the stand, and that's it. No cables, no hassle, just charging. Is the charging speed really fast? Yes. It delivers a true 15 watts. An iPhone 14 Pro goes from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. Is the MagSafe connection strong? Yes. Your iPhone stays firmly attached, even if you adjust the viewing angle. Is it compatible with Android? Number this charger is only for iPhones with MagSafe. What I love about it, premium design. Looks sleek and modern, fast and efficient charging, perfect for everyday use. Great for iPhone and AirPods users. A 2-in-1 solution. What could be better? It's expensive, pricier than regular wireless chargers. Not for Android users. No universal compatibility. So, is the Belkin MagSafe 2-in-1 worth buying? If you have an iPhone and AirPods, yes. It's fast, reliable, and looks great on any desk or nightstand. Want to check the price? The link is in the description. What do you think? Do you have any questions? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to ShopSmart, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.